everyone. Okay, so today we're talking about solder. When you get a fresh piece of solder, first of all you need to put it through your rolling machine just to flatten it and thin it out as much as possible. It'll grow in length. Then sand off so that you get rid of any old adhesive or any dust from storage. So you've got a really nice clean surface, so that won't hinder your solder join and it'll make it a stronger join basically if it's nice and clean. But the tip really is, once you've done this, it's hard to remember which one is hard and which one's medium and which one's easy. So I just take one of my stamps and just stamp the letter onto it, so I remember that this one is medium. I do the same thing with gold so that I can identify the 18 karat white gold from the 18 karat yellow gold and the 9 karat white gold. Hope this helps.